It was 35 years ago that Kashmiri Pandits were forced to leave the Kashmir Valley due to terrorism. They lost their homes and farms, temples and cultural heritage centers. They were stripped of education, their self-worth, confidence and the drive to aspire and achieve. They lived like refugees in their own country. The government of India built a township for them at Jagati, on the outskirts of Jammu city, where 4,000 families settled. At the heart of this township was the government middle school Jagati. But it stood in ruins. It was broken and dilapidated. There was no water, no electricity. The toilets were dysfunctional. There were teachers, but hardly any students. For a community with a proud tradition of education, the school's condition was a painful symbol of loss. But this is a story of hope and transformation. In 2016, the Aman Satyakachu Trust partnered with the government of Jammu and Kashmir to revitalize the school. With support from Children's Hope India and the Kashmiri Pandit community in the United States, the school began a remarkable journey of renewal. Today, the transformation is complete. The school campus is safe, secure, and welcoming. It has modern classrooms, a preschool wing, a computer lab, science laboratory, stable internet connectivity, electricity, clean drinking water, and hygienic facilities. Most importantly, it is filled with the smiling faces of children who are happy, confident, and eager to learn. Children's Hope continues to support the school with a dedicated preschool for children aged 3 to 6, addressing not just learning but also health, growth, and emotional well-being from the earliest years. The focus extends beyond academic achievement to nurturing creativity, critical thinking, confidence, and resilience. Innovative teaching methods and co-curricular activities develop the whole child. From the camaraderie of shared midday meals to the unity of morning prayers, every moment reflects the school's commitment to holistic development. Students take the stage with confidence, showcasing talents nurtured within these walls.
The Jagati School is one of our 30 by 30 projects where our emphasis is on early years of education. We believe good all-round education and good nutrition in an aesthetic and safe environment forms a firm foundation for life.
The children of Jagati Middle School embody hope and ambition. Each carries dreams that reach far beyond the circumstances into which they were born. They aspire to break barriers, redefine possibilities, and create new futures for themselves and their community. For every child who walks through these doors, the school has one ambition: to help them realize their full potential. From cradle to career, the school helps every child soar towards a brighter tomorrow. The school's mission is not just to provide education of the highest standards, but to inspire these children to rise above the limitations of their refugee status.
Our challenge is to inspire the children of Jagati to break free from the confines of their parents' refugee experience. You do not want them to get comfortable with the idea of being a refugee.
The Aman Satyakachu Trust has also established a free community tuition program. After-school support is provided in key subjects, extending up to class 12, ensuring that students receive the additional guidance needed to pursue higher education and professional careers. Today, Jagati Middle School stands as a remarkable example of what can be achieved when government, community, and philanthropy work together. It is a testament to the power of partnership, commitment, and shared purpose. This transformation would not have been possible without the support of the community, the dedication of the teachers, and the generosity of donors who believe in the school's mission of reimagining possibility and creating hope. Join us on this journey of transformation. The journey has only just begun.